disruption of the industries caused by IoT is obviously the ability to put sensors on almost everything. So whether it be a washing machine, a dishwasher, a kettle, it allows the end consumer to now interacting in a different way in society than they ever have done before. The world that we know today is very different to the world we knew just yesterday, even a year ago. So the whole idea of the digitalisation and the networked economy means that I, as a supplier or a vendor of products and services, can now do predictive and prescriptive interaction with the end consumer like you and I. So one of the biggest challenges to get started is just trying to understand where the thing is and how to get access to the thing. So connectivity is going to be a major problem. I think it's going to be commoditized at some point, but that's one of the initial hurdles that companies are trying to understand. Well, what's the cost of entry? So if I'm actually looking at a manufacturing plant, what's it going to cost me to actually digitalize every single component and machine on that manufacturing floor versus the potential business revenue I can glean from that data? Secondly, as most firms understand, the next hurdle is going to be on security. How do I make use of that data? Who has access to that data? Who can reuse that data? We hear about the ecosystem and various partners collaborating to create an end-to-end solution, but ultimately, once you've acquired the data, who owns it? And who has the access rights to reuse or resell that data? So in my mind, those are the two biggest hurdles and challenges. I think the verticals that are already entrenched in IoT are obviously manufacturing. They have been for many, many years now, and I think that's a vertical that will continue along the trajectory that it's already shown. The newer verticals that are coming to the fore is that of connected home. So how can the likes of Honeywell, as an example, put a thermostat in your home that actually provides an application on your mobile device that I can control the temperature of the house even when I'm not at home? I can actually extend that to security systems in the home. Automatically close the back door, the back window if I've left and I've forgotten I left the window and the door open. The next one is on automotive, so connected car. So looking at cars to be self-aware that they actually know how to control themselves in a given lane. So if a driver happens to not be attentive or start to fall asleep and the car starts to stray from one lane to the other, the car recognition system automatically picks that up from sensors and allows the car to stay in its appropriate lane. Not only that, similarly with having a mobile device, I can actually have a mobile application on the phone that allows me to start my car and warm the car before I even get into it, particularly in the cold winter months. So those are kind of the three areas, if you will: the connected manufacturing, which has been a long-standing environment for Internet of Things; the connected home, which we're seeing evolve more and more, that interacts with the average day consumer, as well as the connected car for interaction with the individual and how they utilise the services on their car. Well, firstly, I want to thank the M2M World Congress for 2015 for inviting SAP. It's been a fantastic event for us. I was surprised and taken back, quite frankly, at the number of attendees, some excellent quality of speakers that you've had with the likes of Accenture and Cisco and several others. I think it's an event that is truly showing the industry where the next generation of business use case is going to be for M2M and the Internet of Things in the bigger market. So thank you for having us.